So yeah, there are a lot of all these type of shopping plazas coming up around here. A lot of them, and that's because the population of people living around Centenary here is increasing seriously. There's a mini estate here. There's this fine mini estate here. You know, a couple of people, I guess, they just, you know, built their houses, moved in, and put a gate on the street. Right? So you can see there's another shopping plaza here that has a pharmacy, has a lot of stuff. There is a car wash here. You can see a car wash and a bar. So development in Centenary is off the hook. It is beautiful building going on there. So we're driving towards the express. I want to show you what the new phase of Enugu-Port Harcourt Express, driving away from Centenary down to Independence Layout. Let me give you an update of what this is. Doctor's quarters. Again, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you've not done that, so that let's build a working relationship here. This year I want to give you more value. I want to bring more real estate updates and tips, you know, so that you'll be informed and you make wise real estate investment decisions on this channel or in 2022. So here's the first good news. Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway has been done. You can see the dual carriage. People now use the double lane. So that has reduced traffic drastically. I'm so happy. You can see we're now using this lane. We're no more using one lane. Someone asked me that time why I was driving on one lane, and that's the reason. So this lane has been open and we are happy. Alright, so this is Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. That's Hectares Estate down there. Hectares Estate. You can see the roads are good. There's just a small part here that still is yet to be done. I think it's because of there was a gully here. There was a gully and they're trying to work on that. Of course, this is the only part, and it's just a few minutes. This is the only part, and it's just a short distance actually. From Centenary City to Independence Layout is just a few minutes drive. All right, I guess that's part of why the demand for Centenary is high, because it's just a few minutes drive from Independence Layout. It's about 20 minutes drive to Akanibe International Airport, and just a few minutes from the government house, maybe 10 minutes or less to the government house. Okay, this is the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway, and we're heading to Independence Layout. I thought to bring you on this trip so you can see the updates and see that the most important news is that the new road, that's the other side of the lane, has been fixed, and you can see there's little traffic. You know, at the peak of the day, like right now, there's just a little traffic. This Ugwaji flyover. Let's go to Independence Layout. So this is the road from Centenary City to Independence Layout, a drive-through. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so I can bring you this type of updates in 2022. Good to have you back here. Thank you for always being here. So that's it. So this is Independence Layout. Can you see that? See that? That's the exit. Okay, there's an army checkpoint here. I need to turn off my camera. So you can see we just went past the checkpoint. We're heading into Independence Layout now. This is the road into Independence Layout. You can see that Independence Layout. This is the road into Republic Estate. You know, Independence Layout. So it's just a few minutes drive. Just a few minutes. So if you're buying a property in Centenary right now, you're actually buying at the right time, because Centenary is like the closest place to Independence Layout. Like you can see, this is Republic Layout, Republic Estate. A plot of land within this Republic Estate goes from between 30 million to 60 million naira a plot. Right here, you can see the distance between here and Centenary. Just close. It's not far at all. Okay, if you're buying along the road itself, you're almost getting for 70-75 million naira for a plot. If you're buying along this road, okay, plot of land, just one plot, a plot of 50 by 100 feet, that's 500 square meters. Enjoy the view. Enugu is a beautiful city, right? I'm sure you enjoyed this video. This is monkey roundabout. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel as I bring you this type of updates from time to time. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. Of course, I'm going back to Centenary today for a client's inspection, and I'll probably bring you up to speed again with that inspection later today. Till then, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.